That's that wake me up when September ends. Oh my god, Green Day would be so disappointed in me. Let me try that one more time. Okay. Oh my god, okay. Wake me up. See, it's like I go on too strongly. Alright. Wake me up when September ends. Oh, we'll keep practicing that. Okay, shout out to Wendy Williams. She's having this show out in Vegas, I believe, and she's hosting the Soul Train Awards, so that's good if I heard correctly. Shout out Amanda Bynes for getting engaged. I don't know if that was a hoax or what it was because I didn't read the whole thing. I just saw Amanda Bynes getting engaged. I'll look into that later. Shout out President Obama just for, doing his thing. Um, and shout out Willow Smith's brother, Jaden Smith. He has this new song out. It's really good. So go check that out. But that's that continental drip with a new continental drip. That's that jam. I have a song by Jaden Smith on my Tumblr, the Preps Academy. So go check that out definitely. Can't wait to get on. I'm scared about that airplane on for New Year's to go to Cali. I'm just so scared. Oh my god! I still don't know where I'm staying yet, so I'll be posting that when I find out how I do. Probably some busted ass hotel on the side of the road. But oh my god, I'm be so scared. I'm be so scared. Lord help! No, I don't like flying. I don't like being in nobody plane. So the Lord will have to. Ooh, yes, the Lord. Yes, Lord. He gonna have to be with me because if he not, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't like on the airplanes. I do not like to talk. I don't like to go to the bathroom. Like bring me a soda every hour or two, and I'll be fine. Other than that, no, leave me the fuck alone. I'm scared as shit. Like we way up and do not talk to me, dog. For real. Well, that's that. Something by the east, but that'll mean the nigga came west in the west.